Hello, this is Critical Trader. You may have noticed on the RTH chart the display of overnight high, low, and VPOC, and you'll notice it corresponds to the overnight session template values that we have as well. I want to quickly go over how that works. There's two parts of configuring the ability to be able to plot the overnight high, low, and VPOC on the RTH chart. First, you need to have a chart that is running with an overnight session. Let me show you the setup on the RTH chart first. You'll notice Show Overnight Stats is true. In this property, Overnight Stats session name is set to the name of the session that we're using for our overnight chart. If you read the description of Show Overnight Stats, the purpose is to be able to display the previous overnight stats for the RTH session. If you come into the chart with the overnight session template, there's a parameter under operational parameters called Enable Stats Export. This is set to something other than false, append or overwrite. It will stream various stats to a text file. It will stream various stats to a text file on exit, refresh, or on a Control X key press. Append appends the current stats to the file, otherwise it'll overwrite the existing file. That file is stored in the stats folder under the home folder. So with this set to overwrite, this chart will automatically create a file to record the stats. The name of the file corresponds to the name of the session template and the instrument, and this is it here. So with that exported, with the RTH chart Show Overnight Stats set to true, it'll look for a file containing this name, and the parameters here are available to adjust the colors and of course the labels.